leaves are falling and it's getting cold outside, so you know what that means. It's time for winterization.
Today I'm going to winterize my camper. Our water pump is very hard to get to. It's underneath our sink and it's got a nice partition underneath the sink, so you can't really get to it very easy. So we're not going to be able to show you underneath there. We're just going to take a couple pictures and hope you understand. So you got to pull this hose out, and this is what you're going to stick in your antifreeze bottle while you're turning the water pump on. Next step is antifreeze.
Where'd you get the antifreeze, Jeremy?
I bought this at Walmart for $4 a gallon.
What did you just do? Did you just put the hose into the... There you go.
So, I can either leave the antifreeze right there, or I can stick it underneath there so the antifreeze goes all the way to the bottom of the bottle. I'm going to have to ask my mom to help me here because I need her to operate the water pump switch. Alright, go ahead and flip on the water pump switch. It is the one on the far left. Alright, shut it off. I just wasted half a gallon antifreeze. Okay, let's try this again. Put the water pump back on. Shut it off. Empty bottle of antifreeze. There's actually a little foam mat in there to set the antifreeze on so you don't spill it. Alright, please put the water pump back on.
Okay, I hear something going on in the shower.
Shut it off. Shut it off. Well, you probably just wasted more antifreeze than it could. Okay.
So what you're saying is this is kind of a complicated job.
Flip the water pump back on. Alright, shut it back off. Hopefully that'll be more than 3 gallons. Oh, so I'm gonna back to the store. Forgot to shut the hot water heater off, so it's draining out the hot water heater. This is what happens when you don't turn off the valves to the hot water heater. You gotta make sure everything is shut off. Like all your low point drains, your hot water heater, so the water pump's not trying to fill the hot water heater. Look how quick that happened. So now all the lines are pressurized with antifreeze. So now we need to start turning on the sink, the shower, and any outside water source so that we've got antifreeze in all the lines. First start off with hot until it runs pink. Then you do cold until it runs pink. Alright, then you're gonna go back to the shower. Bathroom sink on until it runs pink. Hot and cold until it runs pink. You're gonna flush the toilet. So you got pink running out of the toilet. You got a pink puddle in the bottom of the toilet. Then you're gonna turn the shower all the way on, both hot and cold. There's pink. Shut hot off, turn cold on. There's pink. Turn cold off. This should be the last gallon of antifreeze you use.
So why does it take 4 gallons?
Because I'm an idiot and forgot to shut off all the valves.
But you bought 4 gallons to begin with.
So I had extra, and it should only actually in reality take 2.
Ah, okay.
Okay, now we need to go outside, run the low point drains, the city water connection, and the outside shower. Okay. So you flip these low point drains, you see pink coming out. On both hot and cold side, you got pink coming out, which is antifreeze.
So how do you know where the outside drains are?
You'll see low point drains on your camper somewhere.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk alongside the camper here. I'm gonna open up the city water connection until antifreeze is spraying full blast outside of it. And then I'm gonna open up the shower, the outside shower. Okay, it sprayed pink out. We're good there. Open up the shower. Pull the shower out. Turn on the hot side until you see pink. Turn on the cold side until you see pink. Put your shower back in. Now the reason I bought the Prestone antifreeze over the Super Tech antifreeze is because the Super Tech antifreeze has a lot more alcohol in it, which degrades your seals in the camper. So if you don't want leaks in your toilet and your shower, you might want to use Prestone or a better antifreeze. We are all done for the most part. All I have to do is now go around and make sure I got a little bit of antifreeze in the freshwater holding tank, and I need to dump a little bit more on the toilet and we'll be done.
So the smell of antifreeze is really bad in enclosed spaces.
Yes, very bad in enclosed spaces. It almost makes you want to gag. Okay, we are done under the sink.
OSHA violations.
Come here. Again, you're going to make sure the toilet's got plenty of antifreeze in it. Sink in the bathroom, hot and cold. Turn the shower on. Hot, cold. Shower in the bathroom is done. Pull this hose out of the antifreeze bottle in the sink. And grab the antifreeze off from underneath the sink, and you walk outside. I couldn't find my funnel, so I kind of just improvised. With a 2-liter bottle, and this is my fill hose connection. So we are going to pour some antifreeze in the hot freshwater holding tank.
That's one thing about campers. We always find a way to improvise.
About a 1/4 of a gallon should be enough. Now we gotta go back inside. I'll pour a little bit more in here. Pour a little bit down the sink. Pour a little bit down the shower. You're out of antifreeze. Job's done. Oh, we got more. See, my parents take it to their RV, to the Colton RV dealership to get theirs done for free. I do it by myself to save myself a whole bunch of time and energy. Now we're officially done camping for the season. The camper's winterized. I hope this helped you out. I know it was a funny video because I'm kind of an idiot sometimes. And have a great winter. Until next camping season.